Have you ever wondered how people under 25 are making real money using just a smartphone and an internet connection? Forget the old idea that success only comes after 30, with a diploma and decades of career building. This new generation is proving that you can earn big now without even leaving your house, with creativity, boldness, and digital intelligence. In this video, you'll discover the paths these young people are taking, how they think differently, and, most importantly, how you can start too. Stick around until the end, because the stories you're about to hear might completely change the way you see money, work, and your own potential. We're living through a quiet revolution. While many still believe the only path to a stable life is a traditional job, Gen Z is playing a totally different game. They grew up online. They were navigating social media before they could even drive. They understand the internet's language like no one else, and they're using it to their advantage. No exaggeration. The world has changed. Today, you can launch a digital business without investing tons of money. You can reach millions of people with a single video. You can learn how to sell, create, negotiate, and communicate, all for free on YouTube, forums, or even using AI. Gen Z noticed that before anyone else. But how exactly are they making money? In lots of ways. Let's start with content creators. Young people using TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram to entertain, teach, or inspire. They earn from sponsorships, ad revenue, product sales, and even live streams. One viral video can change a life. Then we have digital products, online courses, ebooks, mentorships. Young experts in specific niches create valuable content and sell it directly to their audience. Some teach English, others teach video editing. There are even those who teach how to grow on TikTok and make money doing it. And then there's e-commerce. Many are selling physical products without even touching them. It's called drop shipping. They set up an online store, run ads on Instagram or Google, and when someone buys, the supplier ships the product straight to the customer. Profit at the speed of a click. Another powerful method, affiliate marketing. The young entrepreneur promotes a product or service and gets a commission for every sale made through their link. It sounds simple, and it is, but it requires communication skills and smart strategy. And guess what? Gen Z is loaded with both. Let's not forget freelancers. Young people making money by editing videos, designing, creating logos, writing, all online. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even Instagram became their business cards. Many of them get paid in dollars, without leaving their bedroom. Now, let's talk about the ones who are already doing it, and crushing it. Emma is 19 and lives in Austin, Texas. She started selling funny t-shirts on TikTok, built a small, online store with what she had, a phone and free time. In less than 6 months, one of her videos went viral. Today she has a production team and makes over $25,000 a month. It all started with a simple idea and the courage to hit post. Lucas is 22 and has always been passionate about marketing. He learned everything by watching YouTube videos and testing what he saw. Today, he sells online courses, teaching others how to run ads. He works from home just using his laptop and earns more than both of his parents combined. He's never had a boss, never clocked in, and he never plans to. Aisha is only 17 and lives in a small town in California. She learned how to edit videos on her phone and started offering her services on Instagram. Today, she edits for creators in the US, Canada, even Australia. She gets paid in dollars, saves every cent, and is already planning to launch her own digital agency, all before graduating high school. So why are they winning so much? First, because they're digital natives. They know how to explore, create, test, publish, and repeat. They're not afraid to make mistakes in public. They grew up posting, sharing, and getting instant feedback. That makes them fast, practical, and sharp. Second, they have unlimited access to knowledge. Everything they need is just a few clicks away. They don't wait for someone to teach them. They figure it out themselves. Most of what they know, they learned from YouTube, Reddit, or TikTok tutorials. Third, they think globally. They're not limited by where they live or local currency. They sell worldwide. They think in dollars. And they learn from people who've already made it. And most importantly, they believe. While many adults are still asking, does this really work? Gen Z is already doing it. Now I have a question for you. What's stopping you from doing the same? You also have a phone. You also have internet access. And you definitely have some skill, idea, or passion that could become a business. The only difference between those who've already started and those still waiting is action. Maybe you think it's too late, that you need to study more, that you're not ready. But guess what? Nobody feels 100% ready in the beginning. Gen Z didn't either. They started with fear, with doubts, with mistakes. But they kept going. And that's why they're making history. You don't need to copy anyone. But you can get inspired. Start small. Test things. Publish your work. Learn from feedback. Fail fast. Improve even faster. The door is wide open. And it's never been this easy to walk through it. Gen Z is proving that the impossible has become normal. That it's possible to build a digital empire with a phone in your hand and an idea in your mind. They're not waiting for opportunities. They're creating their own. And maybe the next big online success story will be yours. If this video inspired you or opened your eyes in any way, then now is the time to act. Like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to our channel, Financial Health. Today, for more practical tips on finance, digital entrepreneurship, and financial freedom. Here, you'll learn how to take control of your money and make it work for you. See you in the next video.